Assalamualaikum dear students. This is Sound and Letter Book 3. Today we will do sound of O. O as in octopus. O as in octopus. O as in octopus. Trace the sound with your index finger. O. O as in octopus. Now blend these sounds. O, on. D, o, g, dog. O, d, nod. P, o, d, pond. Okay, look at the picture. Which place is this? This is our kitchen. This is our kitchen. Whom can you see in this picture? I can see Floppy, Chip, Dave and their friends. I can see Floppy, Chip, Dave and their friends. Look at Chip. What Chip is holding in his hand? Chip is holding a box. Chip is holding a box. Okay, now look at the wall. Which things are hanging on the wall? There are many things. Fan, clock, pot, picture. Okay, let's find out other thing that is having O sound. Dog, dog. Frog, frog. October. Pot. Orange, orange. Cloth, cloth. Okay, now say these sounds. S as in sun. A as in